And the intensely fought bidding war for Fortis has finally ended after the hospital chain accepted Malaysian firm IHH Healthcare's offer. Cash-strapped Fortis board unanimously accepted IHH's offer to invest 4,000 crore rupees in it through preferential allotment at 170 rupees per share. IHH's offer is a 20% premium to Fortis's closing on Friday. IHH and TPG-backed Manipal Healthcare were also the two companies which made an offer for Fortis after Dabur and Munjal combined, as well as Radiant Healthcare backed out. Let's take it across to Ashwin Mohan for all the deal details. Ashwin?
This is indeed the big corporate story of the day after several twists and turns, after a lot of drama, after a superseded board and an original bidding process that failed. Fortis Healthcare has finally found a suitor, and which is Malaysia's IHH, which is Asia's largest healthcare operator. So the winning bid came in at 170 rupees per share, 5 rupees lesser than what IHH had bid in the earlier round. Clearly, the impact of the Luthra probe report has been felt in the level of aggressiveness as far as the bids are concerned. So this is a 20% premium to the current market price. The IHH offer also has an open offer option, so there is an exit option as far as the shareholders are concerned. And there is also an option to provide an exit to the private equity investors of SRL, as well as there is a plan as far as the RHT acquisition is concerned. So they have gone ahead and fulfilled all the criteria. In fact, they're looking at pumping in 4,000 crore rupees, which is more than double the amount that losing bidder TPG Manipal had put as part of this binding bid. Their amount was about 2,100 crore rupees. They also bid 10 rupees lesser. So the TPG Manipal consortium bid at 160 rupees per share. But clearly, this is a board in a hurry, because this board has managed to turn around this entire bidding process after there were several questions raised regarding alleged lack of transparency, regarding there not being a proper disciplined bidding system in place. So kudos to the board for that. And one will also have to wait and watch to see when this entire transaction fructifies, because the board is looking at getting the shareholder approval as soon as possible, along with all the other regulatory approvals as well. This is a huge win for IHH. IHH, India is not alien to IHH. It has acquired hospitals in the past in India in the unlisted space in 2015. But this is something of a entirely different scale. It's a pan-India acquisition that they have made, which puts them directly at loggerheads with rival Apollo hospitals. Back to you.
Okay, Ashwin, thanks much for those details. IHH, it finally is for Fortis.